Okay, it is a snowy day here in Michigan, and I'm heading in to work on a new mural inside of Kola Lounge. We already have about 2 or 3, so I'm gonna come in here and get started. So this is the old one that we did some years back, which is looking really good. And we did some artwork inside the big part as well. And then we're going to be taking down these paintings that we did, and we're going to be putting some murals on these walls here. So I have my little setup here, and I had a little scrap piece of paper in my bag, so I just wrote out like where we're going to put everything. So I did like a diagram showing like the room, and then I spelled out like what foods we're gonna have on each wall, just so we have a little bit of a guide. And I have my big pencil that I'm gonna use, well, just a regular pencil, but I have my big eraser, and it is called Do Over. Isn't this cute? So I'm just gonna kind of go and start sketching out on the walls. We did come in and do a shoot of the food, so they staged some of the different dishes, and then we took photos so that we have realistic pictures to work from, because the owner, he wants the food on the walls to look like plated the way that people will get it when they order it from here. So this is a African Caribbean restaurant, so we have like the authentic dishes, and then some things that are more Americanized as well. So we're doing like the beef suya, the snapper and plantains, the different soups that they have, and then we have like wings and fries too, because that's a popular dish. So we're gonna do like 5 different food pictures, but it kind of squeezed in like 2 in 1 for a couple. So we'll see how this goes. We're on a very tight deadline. We have to get this done like this week. So it's gonna be a push, but we're gonna get it done. And then they also wanted words, because we just did words in the other room. The lights were out, so I wasn't able to show you, but I'll just pop in a picture here of what we did a couple months ago in there. So we did just the words like reggae, just the different words, and then the logo, their official logo. So I'm gonna just kind of jump in here and get started. I didn't bring a ruler, but hopefully I can just kind of wing it and eyeball it and get started. My sister, you know, we work together. She's coming here after an appointment she has, so she should be here soon. And then the first step is just going to be sketching everything out. All right, check back in soon. Okay, I'm so tired and everything. Still working on a mural. I have not been vlogging it. My sister and I were there all day. My son came after I picked him up from school. We brought him. Still working, still working. My mom came, picked him up so that he could go to her house and go to sleep. And we were still working until 1, 2 in the morning, and we're not done. So I just got Potbelly. It's not as early as I would have liked. It's around almost noon, but I had to take my son to school, and then I had some meetings with clients on Zoom. So we're almost there though. It looks good. The food pics are looking good. I'll show you guys when we get in there. And we just have a little bit more to finish. The only thing that I'm concerned about is that we have to do a grass wall. We got all the supplies there, but I don't know what to say. Like, nailing it up there, the whole thing is like, what the hell? But we're gonna get it worked out. All right.